Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wa sallam. Allahumma rabbi zidni ilma. Sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wa sallam. Ameen. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. In this lecture, I will discuss types of differentials. An important advice: avoid careless mistakes. Types of differentials. Well, differentials are of two types. Number one, variable, and number two, constant. Variable means, for example, x sine theta 1 upon x. Constant means, for example, 3, 8, a, b, etc. Well, in integration, never divide functions by variable differentials, because variable can take any value including 0, and that will make your function infinite. So never divide your function by these types of differentials, but you can divide your function by constant differentials. So never divide functions by variable differentials. We can understand this through this example. So if the question is integrate this function, if you integrate this function with the help of composite function rule, then you have to copy this. Here you have to add 1 in power, you have to divide function by the resultant power, and you have to divide function by differential of this function. And since the differential of this function is negative 2x, and this is variable, so you cannot solve this question through composite function rule, because we can never divide function by variable differential. So we cannot solve this question through this method. This is the wrong way. So how to solve this question, this particular question? So to solve this particular question, you need to first expand it and then integrate it, as you have done in P1. You used to do this thing in P1. You used to expand this by means of a minus b whole square, and then you easily integrate it. So this is the easiest way to integrate this function. This question is of P1, and you used to solve this question in this way, because when function is non-linear, then we always get variable differential. This function is non-linear, so the differential is minus 2x. So every time we used to solve this type of question by expanding this function first and then integrate it in P1. This is all. I hope this lecture will help you to understand the types of differentials and this concept that never divide functions by variable differentials. I will discuss basic formula 1. This is the next concept in my next lecture, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.